Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today I'm with my daughter. With all the craziness going around in the world, you gotta bring your kids to work and teach them a trade. So we're gonna replace some deck boards together. We're gonna show you how.
Let's get to it.
How's that overhang? Good?
Yeah.
So we've got tons of 2x6 boards to replace here. Usually decking nowadays is made of this 5/4 deck board, but these are more hardcore because this is a much older deck. We're replacing with some treated 2x6. So to make it a bit easier pulling these boards, we're gonna use this sweet deck puller. It was about 50 bucks.
First you grab the deck claw, then you slide it under the board on the joist, and then you simply pull.
Doesn't look that simple. Are these that hardcore?
No.
Try to start at the end.
I'm sorry. I get stressed out.
Just talk about what you're doing.
Okay. Alright, I am lifting up this board to lift up the nails, and then I'm moving on to the next one.
After the deck boards are pulled, we can start putting the boards back. Now this one is cut at an angle. Usually I would just square it off and cut it to fit, but this is cut at a 45 here, so I'm gonna cut the boards long and then we'll cut the angle after they're in. Now we're gonna install the boards with 3-inch deck screws. So that's it, super easy deck replacement. Pull the boards, put new boards down, screw them down. It's pretty cut and dry. It is hardcore work, but with that deck puller makes it super sweet. The only thing you need to remember when doing a deck and replacing boards is if you do have a joint of a board, make sure they rest on top of a joist so your boards won't be dipping and diving. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did,
Sorry, try it again.
So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did,
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
that was it.
That's what you wanted.
Give it some feeling. So for Home Mender,
Don't forget to click subscribe.
oh yeah, just jump in and do your part. Thanks for watching.